Who are the people that you are selling your transformation to? You are offering a solution for someone to be able to reach their goals. Where in their story does your help fit in? This is a transformation. Think about who you are selling to. Does it really matter how much money they make or how old they are? It doesn't, because all that matters is what their goals are, what problem they're trying to solve, and how you fit into that story to help them accomplish that goal. So, if you do not believe that being much more clearer on who your ideal client is going to help your marketing, regardless of which marketing strategy you use, then you should not join this class. But if you realize how important this is, then you should join me. This workshop is going to be awesome. Come on. Seriously, I'm not going to let you down. And if you know someone who would benefit from this, then tell them to join. Here's some tips before I let you go. And of course, you're going to get more emails. So when you are putting together your marketing strategy, you're always going to think of who the person is that you are selling to. What are they trying to accomplish? How do you align with their purpose even? Then you're going to think about what their problems are. So these are exercises that I do, by the way. I write these things down when I take on a new client so that I can create content based, a strategy that helps with the information that I have, because there's going to be all kinds of different factors, of course. But depending on these people's problems, you want to think about literally listing what they are concerned about. What are they up at night thinking so that they can actually solve their problem? How can you speak directly to them so that they know that that's the problem you solve? That is how you hold and grab their attention. And always, always focus on the transformation. If there's no transformation, if there's no way for your ideal client to picture themselves in their new improved situation that you brought them to, then you're not going to close that sale. So let's get some clarity. Let's make more money. Let's help more people, because that's ultimately what we're here to do. And that's why I'm doing this, because I finally figured out a way to help a whole bunch of people all at once instead of just one by one, or even like people that can't afford for me to write for them, because obviously that, it takes time to get to that point. You can't afford everything, and so in the beginning you kind of got to do stuff on your own. So if you are one of those people growing your business on your own, trying all kinds of marketing strategies, but you're not quite sure who your ideal client is or how to express the value that you can bring, then this class is for you.